If you want to move data from the USB flash drive to Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, or if you want to move data from the internal storage to the USB flash drive, then once you connect your USB storage to the phone, and then afterwards we're gonna go to the File Manager app. Now in here we can find, for example, images, essentially everything that we have on our phone, of course. And if you want to transfer something from the internal storage to the USB device, then we can go through these types, for example, or we can go through these folders in order to try to find whatever we want to transfer. So in my case, let's say I'm gonna go to the over here to the CIM, and as you can see I have some photos, some images. Now I can press and hold my finger on the file in order to select it, and I can select multiple files at once. So I can transfer multiple things at once, of course, if I want to. Once I select everything that I want to transfer, I need to choose Move at the bottom. In this case, of course, I need to choose USB storage because I'm transferring to USB storage. And then I can choose the location where I want to save it on the USB device. So let's say I'm gonna choose this folder over here and tap on this check. There we go, we are now transferring files, and that is pretty much it. So I just transferred some files from the internal storage from the Xiaomi to my USB device. And if I want to do this the other way around, then of course it is pretty similar. But this time, of course, we need to go to USB device instead, and the rest is pretty much the same. Select anything that you want to transfer, choose Move, and then we have to choose our internal storage and choose where we want to save it. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.